All right, let's read a story. We have What Happens in Spring? Animals in Spring. This book is all about what happens to the animals when it's springtime. The author is Jenny Fretland Van Vorst. Jenny is the author. The author is the one who writes the words. And while we're reading this story, we're going to be labeling the pictures with the beginning sounds. Take a look. We have a table of contents. It gives us a page number and tells us what's happening on those pages. Life is good. A groundhog leaves his burrow. Is it time? Yes, winter is over. Good job turning the page. Take a look, we have a turtle. A turtle crawls out of the water. He spent all winter on the lake bottom. Now it is time to eat. Turtle. Let's label turtle. What's the first sound we hear when we say the word turtle? Turtle. Good job. Go ahead and write that down and we'll put it on our sticky note. Good job. T for turtle. Let's turn the page. Birds chatter in the trees. They are back from the south. It is time to find a mate. A mate is a partner. Let's take a look at these birds. What's the first sound we hear when we say bird? Birds. Yep, a B. Put it on our sticky note and we'll put it right there on top of the birds because B is for bird. Let's turn the page. Baby animals are being born. On the farm, a lamb learns to walk. Let's label mommy horse and baby horse. What's the first sound we hear when we say mommy? Mm-hmm. Write that on the paper. And what's the sound we hear when we say horse? Horse. Yep. Go ahead and write that on the paper. Great work. Excellent job. Mommy horse. There's the mommy horse. Now let's label baby horse. I'm going to give you some lines this time to write your letters on. What's the first time we hear when we say baby? Baby. Yep, put that on the paper. Now what's the sound when we say horse? Horse. We did it earlier. Yep, put it on the paper and let's put it in our book. Baby horse. Good job. Excellent job. Let's turn the page. In the forest, a bear cub learns to climb. What does bear start with? Bear. Yep, just like baby. Let's put that on the paper. Great job. Let's turn the page. Cool. A frog. A frog lays her eggs in a pond. Soon the eggs will be tadpoles. Then they will be frogs. There's the tadpole over there. What's the first sound we hear when we say frog? Frog. Yep. Put that on the paper. And we'll put that in our notebook just like that. Excellent. Let's turn the page. There is so much to eat. Grass and berries. Turn the page. Actually, hold on. Let's label grass. Grass. Grass starts with the G sound. And we'll put that on our paper and right on there. Good job, grass. Let's turn that page. Fish and worms. What does worms start with? W- worms. Yep, put it on the paper. Now let's put it in the book. Good job. That's a beautiful W. Let's turn the page. Life is good. It is spring. I love the springtime. That's when the weather feels so perfect. Let's turn the page. Here's some baby animals of spring. A bunny, a lamb, birds, and a fawn. A fawn is a baby deer. And take a look over here. They even gave us a glossary. The glossary is used to help us understand words that we don't know. Like a burrow is a groundhog's underground home. A mate is a male or female partner of a pair of animals. A tadpole is the stage of a frog's life. Tadpoles grow into frogs. A cub is a young mammal, such as a bear, fox, or a lion. And on this last page, we have an index. The index is used to tell us, maybe if we're looking for something, they can tell us what page to find it on. Wow, what a great story. Thank you so much for reading and labeling with me. I had a great time. I hope to see you next time. Bye.